As fast as thou shalt wane, so fast thou growest in one of thine, from that which thou departest, and that fresh blood which youngly thou bestowest, thou mayst call thine when thou from youth convertest. Herein lives wisdom, beauty, and increase. Without this, folly, age, and cold decay. If all were minded so, the time should cease, and 80 years would make the world away. Let those whom nature hath not made for store, harsh, featureless, and rude, barrenly perish. Look whom she best endowed, she gave the more, which bounteous gift thou shouldst in bounty cherish. She carved thee for her seal, and meant thereby thou shouldst print more, not let that copy die. 重生得有多快，那是你离去时留下的部分，你年少时所赋予的那份新鲜血液，当你脱离青春之时，仍可称作属于你，其中蕴含着智慧、美丽与繁衍。若无此道，便只剩愚昧、衰老与冰冷的腐朽。若人人都如此想，时代便将终结，60年光阴便足以让世界消亡。那些天生不为延续而造、粗陋、平庸、无形之人，任他们绝嗣而亡。但看自然最后代之人，便赐予他更多。这丰厚的馈赠，你理应以慷慨回报，加以珍视。他将你雕刻成他的印玺，正是为了让你印下更多副本，而非任由这模板消亡。